Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing a swipe today. So for the first time I'm back in my art room since our power outage. It was out for about a week and I couldn't do anything. So I'm finally back. Everything is back in order. Power's back on, all that good stuff. So I'm going to use a black. I'm going to go over this painting. I tried to do some gold lines on it, didn't quite like it, so I'm going to go over it. I'm going to use a black background. I'm going to use these colors. This is scarlet red, and I've got gold yellow. This is metallic wine red, and I've got some Prussian blue. I don't know if I'm going to use this as Naples yellow. All right. Okay, I'm going to be swiping with these little pieces of cardboard. They're just from a deck of cards. So. I'm going to put some music on for you to listen to while I do all this part, and then I'll come back at the end. So it's finished now, and I'll show you a close-up of it. Okay, I got the dry results here. Oops. Dried really nice and flat. It's not quite as vibrant as it was when it was wet, but it still looks nice. This is on a wood block that has a thing there for hanging it up. And I only went down a little bit on the edge. I like the wood. I like showing the wood edge on these. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.